Let's walk through how to generate a composite structure diagram using the Visual Paradigm AI Chatbot. We'll start by creating a composite structure diagram for a hotel booking system. The AI generates the initial diagram, and everything looks good so far. Next, let's refine it. We'll ask the chatbot to rename the contact info part under guest to simply contact. The part name updates instantly. Now we want to add a relationship between booking details and room under hotel. Let's ask the chatbot to create that connection. With that added, the diagram is shaping up nicely. Once we're satisfied, we can click the Import to Visual Paradigm button to bring the diagram directly into our Visual Paradigm project. Here's the imported diagram, ready for further editing and refinement. Hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thanks for watching.